Izo.
Now for you. How they be now?
A guy. Good morning.
For you. You take time.
Kizo no be my photo. You see, as I call you that time, you know, as I won't borrow money, where I from and rich and no bike.
You know, since I don't wait for you. I don't look and say, me when you come busy, and me want borrow you money. I make consider wait for you.
Yes, no verse.
No
bike. See, don't be say I want to advertise my family problem. Continue. The problem where they face now, see, from call right now. Even Gary no there for me to drink. So the thing, I make a tea. No only you be the person who come now. I just 2K I need. Man, say they all right. 2K. I'm good.
Now what for you? That's what you always do. Every time this one no Gary, no this one no do. Very soon now you go say you know the Gary again.
You know they now.
Guy better wise up, they meet up, not call the door like this.
This 2K now I won't collect from your hand there. I promise you tomorrow I expect cash. I'll give you back.
Don't fail, Don't fail me,
Tomorrow now I'll give you back.
Why not this? Now
cash I be transfer.
Don't worry. Yeah. No worry, I'll transfer for you.
You want transfer?
I go transfer for you, no fear.
If they transfer 2K, just add 2-1.
To be mumu. I will do it. No, that no be problem.
100 naira, so I'll pay there for it.
Oh, yeah, well. Call that your account number.
22 32 24 22. First bank.
Okay. Your name don't come and say. Alright. Done.
You there, Tavi?
Yeah, don't go.
Again, you know my guy now. Thank you.
You say tomorrow.
Tomorrow, I no go fail.
Tomorrow now you talk. Because if you fail, you know what I can do.
I just 2K when you talk like this. So.
Yeah,
2,000.
My guy. You got how?
I'll give you tomorrow. Right, thank you. Wala. Kizo! You see,
tomorrow.
No, wala. Thank you. Ma rush you go.
I trust you.
Kizo!
You be now.
I kiss you, I can't come in now. Call 2,000 naira. It don't reach 2 days, I know. At last,
wow. So this guy don't want. Hey, you don't pick my call. Even the message, you don't even. Hey, this guy.
Kiss you, have that.
Okay.
Kiss you,
you don't even respond to. He didn't even read that.
Run.
What? Okay.
No, enter ground now. Enter ground. No, enter the ground. You go run again. I don't find you fine for everywhere. Call you, you know the pick. Message you go read that, you know go reply. I say they do. 2 days, now you tell me. 2 days, you enter almost 2 weeks.
So yeah. At 2,000 naira.
You say what? You know I say they make the money. You get your now. Not be say come on, Gary, no see soak. Then we say 2,000 naira.
I see finish with this one now.
You say what? Not be see finish. You forget see finish.
No vex. See, it's as you don't they go 1 week like this now. You as my paddy. You just use call Kimi. Go to say since now 1 week, my you leave am for around 2,000 naira.
You say? No, 1 week. You see, 2,000 naira. Say me I leave am for you. You know what that 2,000 naira fit do?
Yeah, no vex.
Easy. Why you come borrow?
I'm going to help this. Because you know my guy now.
Because I be your guy. I don't take that shit too. I mean, I dey vex, I dey provoke like this.
For 2,000.
Yes, now. I don't like promise and fail. Yeah. You promise, then you pay.
And citizens are no owner to still pay you. No still extend down.
Jesus! You say what? Don't try more. If now to go bring one thing, one I get for us, come anything at all, I will go sell them.
So yeah, just wait. As it is now, you don't know my chairman waiting inside there. Man, meet him.
To be mumu.
You better see man borrow from here and come pay you back. Continue. You causing them my house. You no go to work.
You know all these things since now you pay to do anyhow.
No nah.
Yeah. What you using, Joe?
2,000 no.
Look, they go.
No wait.
Waiting. You shall be waiting. Maybe from there disappear.
I know what this. I know I no enter. If you see you now,
I don't trust you again. You figure from there and disappear enter the next compound.
Now my compound be this now.
First know the bank for your compound. Why you vanish and go appear for this? Appear for the other company.
Come meet am. Just sharp. Wait, I know me enter. Just wait. 2K now. I dey come. Wait.
Oh wait.
Bros.
Yeah, why not? Oyiko.
Hey, Nicky la white boss.
How far? Don't be lie. What they
They come out.
I dey come out. I wan go run do 1 or 2 for office.
No worry.
It is up.
Sorry, I just need one more last favor.
Because as I dey come just now when I see you, they enter. With the way they aim me, I know say something they involved now, something they corner. So what you need like this though?
You know they do before normal.
Normal life.
So now I beg, I just need 2K.
2K. I borrow you 2K.
Borrow, and sorry, sir, I no put on a borrow. Borrow.
So if I borrow you this 2K now, how much 2K you don't borrow?
2K.
No, by yourself, I'll talk the money. If I add this 2K now, how much you dey owe me?
Just 2K.
No, if I add this 2K, how much you dey owe me now? You don't lost counter because you don't feel remember. You don't to borrow. Even my guy when they call about 2K, you know they borrow like this. Wait till they walk you.
No.
I need to remind you, say for where you for the take, where you know the put and finish, have you?
I know. But this one, at the last one, be this. I promise you.
Oh yeah, now wait till I use this 2K.
Okay. I borrow money for somebody and I borrow 2K for somebody and that person asked and I did my next. So I won't borrow from you now, I'm gonna pay and back.
It's allowed. No. So you want borrow, take pay borrow.
No be say borrow, pay borrow.
No, you want borrow, take pay borrow now. Don't be say you want use money to do better thing. No, you don't borrow person money. Now you want borrow, take pay borrow. They use debt to pay debt.
No verse. Now you no verse. See, this one dey my neck, you dey house.
Me no dey your neck. See, the time if I'm ready for you, now your kidney out there. I know dey your neck, now your kidney.
Man,
Let's not do that. Say not do. Give me your digit, man. I run transfer for you.
Transfer. No, I need cash. In the house, I might get me the go. I got the worry.
You need cash.
Yeah, your cash.
Take 2K. Take. Pay me back my 2K.
No, I dey come. Fees.
You say? Thunder will fire you. You hear? On the day of your wedding, your best man go use your cake to play.
Why you call the waste time?
I waste time. God, 2000. If you leave am.
Because I wait see, Joe. Just let me make person dey talk too much. 2,000 naira just dey disturb me since 2 weeks. You want? I know they smile. That is smile. See here. I say you too like money. Mass borrow 1K inside it.
My borrow will kill you. Where if I go bury you? Give me
Wait. Take first. Take now.
Who is this? Who is this? Shey you tell me say you dey Abuja? Come, please. Shey you tell me say you dey Abuja? And Abuja you tell me say you dey be this. Yeah? So after all this while you think say I no go see you again on this life, abi? Yeah? You say I come and take the work.
Excuse
me.
me.
Come and don't meet you today.
Excuse me. You know him.
What I know this guy. This guy na my brother and we come from the same side. Go. You understand? For Bini. You dey get sir? This guy na come borrow money from me 6 months ago. 150K. 150,000. Yes, na he come discharge. Ever since that they call her, he dey post me. Even recently say I follow updates. Day before yesterday now, he tell me say he dey Abuja, he dey come back next 2 months. The Abuja be this.
Now you know I borrow the 2,000 naira now. You won't kill me since 1 week.
Wait, nah, you borrow 2K. So I got 2K they pay for you since.
See the 2K now.
Give me my 2K.
Wait, I don't borrow.
You don't borrow. No, me never get your time. Your own a small challenge. Oh, boy, fun now. Digit me. Because you not coming here today, you not get how you won't be. You don't go anywhere today, you understand?
I be 150. Don't be 150.
Yes, sir.
May I transfer for you, Joe?
You want transfer
for you? Wait.
Okay, because you don't get much cheddar, you don't get right. No, problem won't involve now. Problem, why did you invite there?
I can't see when let me transfer for you.
Why did you invite there? Oh, yeah, now give my account.
Yeah, call her for you.
What minute? For here, you don't work.
You see this life, eh? Person wey you dey hold another person. In that case, all of us na debtor. Catch am o!